Welcome to DW Drums. DW Drums is a multi-million-dollar drum manufacturing company, which has created drums for some of the most famous bands in the world. The drums in this room were the actual drums used in Hollywood, as well as the 24-karat gold drum kit in the intro to the video played by Neil Peart, best drummer to ever play. Step 1. Creating a shell. This room is where the shells for the drums are first created. A worker will bend a few sheets of wood and tape them together where they will be glued together in a machine. The machine acts as a clamp and dries the wood into a perfect barrel. This is important to not only for the looks of the drum, but also for the acoustics. Step 2. Paint and varnish. The finished shells will be passed off either to the varnish workers, painters, or both, depending on the design. The painters have painted almost every famous band's drum, ranging from the 70s to 2000s. Picking wood types. Sometimes, drummers prefer a wooden look over paint, as they have most rare types of wood in the entire world. They actually have color-changing wood. This wood is the normal brown color when inside the tree. However, once reacted with oxygen, it turns purple. Step 3. Assembling a drum. Now it is time to assemble a drum. This is arguably the most important step in creating a kit. The drum must be tuned perfectly in order to provide the sound the customer requested. This job requires years of practice and knowledge of which sounds are wrong and which sounds are correct. By tightening the drum, you make the pitch higher, and by loosening it, you make the pitch lower. DW Drums was an awesome opportunity for DTech to see some awesome designs and to see the process of creating drums.